Am I recording? Okay. So today we're going to talk about there's two different kinds of earthquake waves. P waves, or primary waves, and S waves, which are secondary waves. Okay, these are important for us to be able to figure out where an earthquake's epicenter actually is. And we do this by measuring the difference in arrival times of these two different waves because they travel at different speeds from the focus of the earthquake underground to the epicenter on the surface. So McCormick and I are going to represent those two different kinds of waves. He's going to be a P wave because he's much faster than me. I'm going to be an S wave because I'm a little bit slower, okay? We both leave the break in the rock at the same time. Okay, the rock breaks and it sends out vibrations throughout the earth. We leave at the same time, okay? So here we are underground, we're underground, there's a break in the rock. We are gonna take off and we are going to radiate out to Mr. Gao, who is filming us, and he's gonna be at the surface of the earth, okay? So here we go, maybe we'll back up a little bit to really show this. Okay, so the break in the rock happens and we're off. Go ahead.
Oh.
And now we're here, now we're shaking, and now we're shaking. Okay, so the deal is that both left the rock at the same time, right? We both arrived at Mr. Gao, but at different times. And the further we got from the original break, the further the distance between Mr. McCormick and I, right? We were close at the beginning, and as the distance grew, we became further and further apart. That means that the deeper an earthquake is underground, the deeper it is underground, the more time there's going to be in arrival times of these two different kinds of waves on the surface of the earth. If it is an earthquake that happens just under the surface, there's not going to be very much difference in arrival times between these two different kinds of waves. If an earthquake happens 20 miles, 100 miles down underground, there's going to be more time between the arrival times of these two different kinds of waves. Okay, and we'll talk more about what those two different kinds of waves are and why all of this is important. Thank you.